guys, welcome back to the Branch Family Channel. Woo. Okay, so today we're gonna be trying a vegan sandwich.
This is gonna be interesting.
Yeah, very, very interesting.
Well, in an effort to try new things, we've decided to try a vegan sandwich, and we're gonna share our experience with you guys. You guys get to witness it live in real time. So, we've never tried it before. We're open-minded, but there's a little nervousness involved because vegan is no animal product whatsoever. No cheese, no dairy, no meat, no flavor. Just kidding. I'm sure this is flavorful. And we're about to find out. Ooh, so Betty, you ready?
Yep.
So we're gonna open this up and try it. But before we try it, Betty, first you take your half. We'll do a brief description of what's exactly inside it. And you can get this type of sandwich from any of the specialty markets, Whole Foods, Aldi's, whichever supermarkets in your area. So, it's multi-grain bread. It consists of vegan mayonnaise, lettuce, tomato, and vegan patty. I don't know if you can call it a meat patty, but it's a vegan patty. It has oats and all the essential grains like quinoa and farro, and it's compressed into a patty, I guess to resemble some type of fillet or a hamburger patty or something. And it's in between two multi-grain slices of bread. So, are you ready?
Yeah. I think it tastes good. We have to finish it.
Well, let's get through the first bite, and we'll see. We'll take it from there.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, guys.
The bread is good.
Okay, so it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. And if I was blindfolded and no one told me that this was a vegan sandwich, I would believe that I was eating a very flavorless chicken sandwich.
That's what you're getting.
So I guess that's like a compliment. Chicken or some type of turkey.
I get it. Turkish. Fish.
Okay, yes, something along those lines. It's not bad. It's not
I
bad.
can't finish it, but it ain't bad.
Well, we went this far, but we might as well try to see if we can finish it.
Mm-hmm.
You want to see if we can finish it?
Nope. Okay, got one more bite.
One more bite, we can do this? This for you guys. One more bite. Mmm.
It's not good, Bill.
I have a new level of respect for all you vegans out there. It definitely requires discipline and a commitment.
Mm-hmm. So,
A commitment that I don't know if I'm willing to make.
I think I made the commitment.
Well, that makes one of us.
For me. All right. Well,
Well, that's great. Overall, what do you give it on a scale of 1 to 10? If you had to rate this sandwich, not just it being a vegan sandwich, but if you had to rate this sandwich on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest, 10 being the highest, where would you rate this sandwich?
I would give it a 5.
5 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
It's not bad.
It ain't not bad.
It's very nutritious. It's healthy for you.
Very easy.
So, I would give it a 6, just for the nutritional value.
I think I like it. I think I may finish it.
It's not bad. It's not bad, guys. I have to repeat that. It's really not bad. And it's very good for you.
Need you more? Want more? I need more.
You will need to have a beverage ready. And if you did the hard work of getting this type of sandwich, I would suggest that you have a healthy beverage. Thanks. We might as well finish it, right, guys?
Yeah.
It's not bad. It's not bad. The multi-grain bread is good. Lettuce and tomato is what it is. The patty it doesn't taste bad. I'll say that again. And because it's healthy, excuse me guys, because it's healthy, you get the added benefit of knowing that you're eating something nutritious. Makes you feel better.
Yeah, make you feel way better. Where's the big thing?
I'm almost done. Vegan.
I need Kool-Aid.
She's talking about vegan Kool-Aid, guys. No animal products in that drink. Only vegan Kool-Aid for this family, right? Back, guys. Well, after a brief intermission, we wanted to show you our progress. This is the wife's. She got about 3 to 4 bites in. Which is, if for those of us who know her, and for you guys who's going to get to know her, that's a big step for her. Because she really doesn't like to try new things. But she's working her way. She's working her way. She's working her way through that stuff. Here's mine. I almost finished. I'm not gonna lie, it got a little dry. Definitely needed some water. But again, overall, I think it's a good sandwich.
Yeah, a little bit more mayonnaise, some more tomato.
A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit of flavor.
For me.
You said less patty? That's the whole point.
I mean, it's a good sandwich for me. I like it. And I don't like nothing. So.
And it's healthy. I keep saying, I can't say it enough. It's a healthy sandwich. But I want to take this time to spend a quick special shout out to our oldest daughter, Monique. She came up with the idea. She had the concept. She helped us film this video. So, come on, Monique.
Yeah, Monique. Let's go.
Hey guys, I'm Monique.
Tell them about your YouTube page. She has her own personal YouTube page. She's gonna let you know. She's gonna give you all the specifics. So go ahead.
Go subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Mia Milan. We're fun, okay? And you guys will love it. So thank you guys so much. And go subscribe to my channel.
So this is the Branch family signing off. We love you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in.
The Branch family.
Be sure to like, subscribe, share, and comment below. Click the notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload videos.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And we'll see you guys in our next video.
Peace.